स्टूडेंट्स, लाइसिन एंजाइम में हमने बात करी है कोरोना पेनिट्रेटिंग एंजाइम की, और वी ऑल्सो नोन इट इज एज कोरोना डाइजेस्टिंग एंजाइम. कोरोना डाइजेस्टिंग एंजाइम, that's a egg membrane, wetline membrane, zona pellucida. On the above zona pellucida, there is a membranous structure called corona radiata. Corona radiata here filled with hyaluronic acid. Now, first corona radiata and corona radiata digesting enzyme, corona penetrating enzyme, corona digesting enzyme. Digest corona radiata. Digest corona radiata. Next one is hyaluronidase enzyme. Digest hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid digested first of all corona radiata digested here. After that hyaluronic acid digested here. After that zona pellucida layer, which is digested by acrosin enzyme. Digest zona pellucida layer. Digest zona pellucida layer here. Now the next one is after lysine enzyme, there is a formation of fertilization cone or fertilization cone. Fertilization cone, it's a membranous structure. Here it is toward animal pole. It's a zona pellucida and corona radiata layer here. When sperm enter toward animal pole, then wetline membrane just swell up or move toward the nucleus. When this move toward sperm, it's again animal pole, then this cone is called as fertilization cone or fertilization cone here. So what will happen here? When lysine enzymes, corona penetrating enzyme, hyaluronide as a corona penetrating enzyme, hyaluronidase enzyme and acrosin enzyme digest the upper layer, then sperm enter toward animal pole, and then the vitelline membrane just swell up at that time is called fertilizing cone here. After that, just pretty simultaneously, when sperm touch toward the egg, then it's a secondary oocyte. Means here remaining meiosis division second. The meiosis second is carried forward when sperm touch the vitelline membrane. स्टूडेंट्स, जब स्पर्म टच करेगा वेटलाइन मेम्ब्रेन को, तो एज सुन एज when sperm touch vitelline membrane, it's a secondary oocyte. On that time, meiosis second occurs. Now what will happen here? It is a secondary oocyte. This division here, it is a haploid, one cell larger, ovate, and one smaller. That is secondary polar body. Now, it's a converted egg or oocyte, and its smaller body is a secondary oocyte here. It is a secondary oocyte. Now, the membrane disappear here. It's the nucleus part. This membrane disappear here. Just toward animal pole. Exoplasm. Ooplasm, exoplasm. Now what happened? The next one is cortical reaction or cortical reaction or formation of cortical reaction and formation of fertilization membrane. Now, it's a membranous structure here. It's exoplasm. When the sperm touched it, exoplasm having some rounded structures known as cortical granules, when sperm touched it, it's the exoplasm. Then it swell up and make a space between exoplasm and vitelline membrane. It's a vitelline membrane. It's a exoplasm. It's a vitelline membrane and exoplasm. Then these cortical granules left exoplasm and just stick toward vitelline membrane and make a hard covering structure which prevent the entry of more than one sperm. Means we can say that cortical reaction is responsible for preventing polyspermy, means entering of more than one sperm, it prevented here. And the space between this vitelline membrane with a granular structure and an exoplasm is called perivitelline space. It's called perivitelline space. And this membrane formed here is called fertilization membrane, and sometimes it's called as fertilizing membrane here. Now, what happened at this time when you have observed here in a nucleus? It's a nucleus. There are two centrioles here, distal centriole and proximal centriole. The centriole which is near to the nucleus is called distal centriole, and a distal centriole. Now the nucleus entered in a ooplasm. Nucleus entered in ooplasm. Then what happened here? Means this nucleus is egg nucleus and this sperm nucleus. There is a centriole, egg centriole. Centriole is responsible for the dividation, as we have taught it in 11th standard. And the nucleus with distal centriole here. Sperm centriole. Now, these two haploid egg make to fuse with each other. These two haploid egg make to fuse with each other and form a single diploid nucleus. And the first nucleus formed after fertilization is known as synkaryon. The first nucleus formed after fertilization is called synkaryon, and the cell formed is called, this is the nucleus, and a cell formed is called zygote. We mention it here. First nucleus formed after form due to fusion of sperm and egg. Haploid nucleus is called synkaryon, and a first cell formed after fusion is zygote, that is diploid cell. So here now the process of fertilization till completed when synkaryon formed or a zygote formation occur. In our next video we have to talk about our next topic, post fertilization event.